Hi, welcome to the Bird Briar. My name is Jillian Rabini. I built this place back in 2011 as a gathering spot for friends, and now I'd like to give you a little tour. And here we are inside. Ahead of us, of course, is the bar. Everybody needs a bar. Plenty of drinks, plenty of seating. Up above, you'll see pictures that change, showing various people, friends, events that we've had here. In here is the music room. Instruments actually all play, even the harpsichord. Everywhere you'll notice roses and birds. Built this place with saffrose maridoke, saffrose being the briar, of course. I'm the bird. This is our main dance floor. You can dance in the champagne glass, dance on the stage. Again, more cages, bird cages everywhere. Snacks if you're hungry. And then outside we have our little beach, duck pond, yes, more birds everywhere, roses and birds. So we have our little beach. Notice even the floaty rings are, of course, swans, which are birds. And our fire pit. Boy, we've spent many hours sitting and talking and gossiping here. And then up here for a little gazebo. Nothing like a little romantic dancing over the ocean. And there you have it. The Bird and Briar. Established in 2011 and closed in 2013. Thank you everyone for all your attention and love and friendship. We've had a great time here.